I'm going to show you how you can use One4All gift cards on stores in Canada. Now, all you have to do is that you have to purchase a One4All gift card here to scan right here. Now, the way that these gift cards actually work is that they're sort of like a debit card or a debit card, right? Now, on a debit card or a credit card, all you have to do is just scratch the back there and then you reveal the CVV code, right? And you can also have a max stripe on the back as well. So it allows you to swipe, right? So like any other debit or credit card. Now, once you have the thing scratched off or you just want to use it as a debit card, you see on store, you can sell it or you can use it on any retail partner here, right? So you can only use it on One4All retail partner like that, right? And then if your cart is swiped for more than the value of the balance on the cart, the authorization will fail. So if your balance is a little low, like it's only $1, but you're trying to buy something that costs $10, then obviously it will fail, right? And what about the retail partner? So in Canada, the only way you can actually use the One4All credit card is on any of these stores here. It's much more limited than the one we have on America. So you can only use it on the Pay, Staples, Foot Locker, Roots, the stores, American Eagle, Indigo, Golftown, and things like these, right? Any other store that you try to use it on will not support it. So you will have to use it on stores that are supported like this, right? So it's the One4All card retail partner right here. Now, if you don't use it on here, then obviously it wouldn't work. And if you have less balance than needed than to actually bind the thing, then it won't work as well. It won't authorize.